Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to search YouTube with your voice. And this is super easy. And I want to say that it is super obvious, but you may not know about this feature. And I'm going to show you how to easily find it. Now, once you're on youtube.com, if you look to the upper right hand side of this little search box, you can see a microphone. It says search with your voice. If I click on this icon right here and just speak, it will allow me to search YouTube with my voice. And I'm going to put it to the test. So I'm going to just click on it and I'm going to allow my microphone. And once I allow my microphone on the left, I'm just going to say FC Barcelona, right? Let's go ahead and try that. FC Barcelona. And you can see right away that its search is for FC Barcelona. And that's it. So you can easily go ahead and search YouTube with your voice. How cool is that? If you found this useful, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, because that's really helped my channel grow. And I really appreciate it. And I'm more than happy to have you guys around on this channel. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.